Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am with the LW-PX700 and I'm going to show you how to create different blocks or columns on our labels. Well, have you ever tried to make a label like this with an image or a symbol on one side and some text on the other? But maybe when you printed it, you got something more like this. Well, let me show you how the column key can help you make those labels the way you want them to. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the LW-PX700 and we're going to start creating that label. All right, so I'm going to turn it on. Now the supply I have in here right now is a 1-inch black on yellow. So this is a 224 BYPX that I have in here now. And I'm going to go ahead first and put that symbol on there. So I'm going to go ahead and access the symbols button and use the up-down arrows to scroll to the category I want. Press return, and then again using the arrow keypad to find your image that you want or your symbol. So I've got it, that's the one I want. Press return and it's applied it to my label. Perfect. Now if I just start typing text in, it's going to give me more of an output like this, but that's not what I want for this label. So what I'm going to do is push the column button, and that's going to create this different break in the label to kind of give it different sections, okay? So I'm going to hit the column button, and you'll notice on the screen, now we see 01 with our symbol, and then 02. So the double digits here are indicating which column we're on. So it's telling us where we're at on our label, which makes it laying it out even easier. Okay, so I've got column 1 has my symbol. Now column 2 is where I'm going to enter in the text, and this is going to be 2 lines of text. We want it to say clips, and I'm going to hit return, clamps. Perfect. Okay, wonderful. This looks really good. Now I also want to center my text on the column, right, for here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm just going to make sure that my cursor is within that second block, and then I'm going to hit the format button. That's this one here. I'm going to hit the format. I'm going to go to layout and hit center. Maybe you've seen this before. It's asking me where do I want to apply this to. I want to apply it to just this block. You've probably gotten used to just entering right through this, but this is what that means. So I'm going to select this block, and it's going to go ahead and leave my image alone, and it's just going to center my text on the second column or the second block. This is exactly what I needed. Wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and hit print. Perfect. Now this is exactly the label I was looking for. Now I can go ahead and apply it. All right, well that's using the column button, using the LW-PX700. If you have questions on this printer, columns, blocks on your labels, or any others, we would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.